In this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight text with animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's open a PowerPoint presentation. Suppose you need to highlight the text in this presentation slide. In the bottom right menu, click on the Slideshow Mode button. In the Slideshow mode, if you bring your cursor to the bottom left corner of the display, you can see that a new menu appears here. In this menu, click on the pen icon. In the pop-up menu, click on Highlighter. Now highlight your text by dragging the cursor over the text. It is just like drawing something. You can also change the color of your highlighter. Right-click on the display. In the pop-up menu, click on Pointer Options. Click on Ink Color. Select your color. Now highlight the rest of the text. After highlighting, click on the Escape button on your keyboard. A pop-up should appear on your display. In the pop-up, click on Keep. Now let's add some animation to the highlighter. Select the first highlighter. In the title bar, click on Animations. In the menu bar, select an animation to your liking. Select the second highlighter and add another animation. Now let's go back to slideshow mode again. Here you can see that we have successfully highlighted the text with animation.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.